said that?
Let's go long. Let's go long.
One day
I feel like there was a few rude motherfuckers somewhere over here. Maybe it's the fact you're gonna keep interrupting me, stupid. You got a bad haircut and even worse attitude. Hey. No grown-ass fucking man wears a Ninja Turtle suit. Just like nobody who's over, what are you, hey, how old are you, buddy? 30? No 30-year-olds wear fluorescent, you fuckface. And hey, don't laugh. Well, listen. I didn't even get to the part where most of you stupid fucks can't even read. Hey, why don't you just YouTube it? Huh? You want to YouTube it or Google it? Is that what it is? Well, maybe you missed the memo. But when I'm talking, you shut the fuck up. If I say it more than twice, I'm leaving. I will leave. I'll take my car and I will go home. You people are hurting my fucking feelings. I've been here all day. Ladies and gentlemen, what are you saying over there? Shut up! Shut that stupid fucking! Come on! You know you're upsetting me, right? I said you're upsetting me. I gotta humble yourself. You suck! I said I gotta humble. You're gonna keep interrupting me, ain't you? You suck! You suck! It's you, isn't it? Paul, this is the last time. I want you to tell them to shut their mouths or I'm leaving. Do not disrespect this man. He will leave you. Oh, you thought it was that easy. Hey, here's the problem. Hey, if anybody in here has not wiped their feet, then you get the fuck out. Hey, asshole! Nobody wants to say that! Shut up! Hey! Nobody saying over here! How about me?
Go home. Take your ass home. Go home. Burger King. Burger King. Burger King. Burger King. Burger King. Burger King. Burger King.
Why don't you keep the noise down? So I can take my robe off and show your girlfriends what a real man is. I'm ready. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for the humble yourself rookie challenge to begin.
Come on! Humble him! Humble him!
Oh, that's not all. That's not all. Tonight, it's 2 for 1 in this Humble Yourself Rookie Challenge.
Shoot that shit! Come on! Viva Italia, bitches! Let's do this fucking thing! You fucking know shit!
Well, since they want to swerve it on me, I'm gonna swerve it on them. You thought you had a, 2 for 1 special? Well, that doesn't cut it for the Richie boy forever. Ladies and gentlemen, the Humble Yourself Rookie Challenge isn't them versus me. It's them versus Atlas Hytower.
I know what I gotta do. I gotta. Do this thing, motherfucker!
And your opponents in this Humble Yourself Rookie Challenge is this man. He handles the Detroit Michigan. He is high, daddy long list.
Hold it! What's this punk doing? Hold it! Get him out! What? Kill the short off! Come on, you gotta get him out of there. Shut up! Yep. You motherfucker! Come on! Take the boat! Come on, Hytower! No! It's time! It ain't time yet! Come on, Danny, long legs! Up top! Shut up! Come on! I'm winning this shit! What? He's got nothing! Come on! What are you doing, huh? I told you I didn't need you! It's my time! What? Hey! Do something! You want to do something? Do something! And yes! Get up! Get up! Come here!
Stay the fuck down! Stay the fuck down! I am no longer High Daddy Longlegs. I am High Daddy just fucked you up!
You're out of work, idiot! Let's go. Down, baby, down! Awesome match out there tonight. You killed it once again. Anything you want to say to them out there in the real world?
Those two so-called rookies need to go back to fucking school.
Pure and simple. You need to go back to fucking school.